Upbeat earnings have driven European shares higher as some of the continent's largest lenders look to be in robust shape. London-based Barclays beat analyst expectations, reporting a net profit of $2.2 billion in the first quarter, up 27%. It marks the bank's highest quarterly profit in 12 years. Meanwhile, Germany's biggest lender, Deutsche Bank, has reported a net profit of $1.3 billion, its 11th straight quarter of profit. But it also says that 800 jobs will be axed as part of a new cost-saving drive. Well, let's talk to independent banking analyst Francis Coppola. Good to see you again, Francis. Let's talk big picture first. Not long ago, we were talking about a global banking crisis. We've had these good results from the European banks, Deutsche Bank and Barclays. So is this banking crisis over?
Well, I never thought it was going to be a global banking crisis. I always thought it was an American crisis, particularly a crisis of American mid-tier banks. And one big bank in Europe, which had been experiencing problems for really quite some time. The bank run on Credit Suisse started back last October, and it really just got caught in the crossfire from the failure of Silicon Valley Bank. So I think it was more specific areas of the banking market rather than the whole of global banking. So this rather confirms my view that in general, the position for big banks, at any rate, is actually rather healthy. They've got rising interest rates, and banks generally tend to do quite well with rising interest rates, and that's really what's happened with both these banks.